Man, y'all excuse my hair. It's early. But watch this, y'all. Watch what we got. Look! Y'all, we got some puppies! Say hello for the YouTubey girl. It's very hard to see in this lighting, but look at that. She had her puppies, y'all. She had that puppy. Yeah, she did. Yeah, she did. She a good mama. Look at that. Mama take care of her puppies right. Morning, people. Good morning. Chickens playing. Boy, it's a great morning. Yeah, beautiful motherfucking morning. Feels good outside, too. I got chickens in my neighbor's yard over there. Look at little chicken. Ah, look at that. Ah.